Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In addition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. You are interested? It's the 4 Stars Sudoku number 9078. Yeah, 9078. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, as always, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 2 3s. We have here 3 4s. We have here 1 5. We have here 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 9s are a majority. Can I start with 9? 9 9. 9 9. Here should be the 9. 9 9 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 9. Okay. Well, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. Here's 7 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this column. First column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then 3 3. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the row below, the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 4. Need a 4 there also. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in the first row. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes and a 3 in the second row. So no 4 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 3. The 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 and the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 2, 6, 8. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. Oh, we have a 7 here. 4 and a 7, that means the 4 and the 7 as a pair goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5 then. Alright. So the 2 is missing here. The 8 is missing here. No, we have a 2 here. This can be 2. 2 could be here, could be there. 8 is missing. 2, 8. And I need a 6 here. Well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 and the 2 goes together as a pair. So 1 digit left. Should be the 8. So here 2 and the 6 are left as a pair. Interesting. 6 here. And I need a 2 here. Come on. 9 here. 7. Here, give me 7. Come on. Come on. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place you have the 8 should be there. This is reserved for the 2 and 6. 2, 6, and need a 5 there. Let me mark those. 5. And the 7 here. 2 there. 1. Yeah. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 1, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 9. I need an 8 here. In this column, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 3 there. Now. Need a 3 there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4. How about the 6? 6. Need a 2 there. Need an 8 there. 8, 3, 9. Well. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Yeah. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. Here give me 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left now for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 or a 6, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 or 6, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 6. 2 or 6, we have a 6 in this box, so this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5 cannot fill this yet. You know, 2 numbers left in the second column, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 3. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. I need a 6 there. Yeah. Yeah. Need a 5. Need a 7 here. 5, 7. Need a 1. 1, 5, 7. And I need a 3. We have 3 in the last column. 3 in that column. So the column between. Only place level 3 should be there. 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. So we have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So this box can be 7 and more. That box will be a 7, and this box will be a 4. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Well, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then let me see. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2, 6, 8, okay. Need a 1 here. Well, we have a pair, the 1 and the 4 in this column, the 1 and the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2, 6, 8, okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. He's missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level the 6 should be here. 2, 6, 8. So 2 and 8 are left. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Let me give this a 2 stars. Well, I'm faster than 20 minutes, so we're pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.